Hey, it's Kevin McCarthy, and welcome to A Day in Real Estate. Well, I'm down here at the 𝐒𝐿𝐴. I actually came down to do my property tax protest. I had a hearing today, and it went very well. I wasn't sure how this was going to go when I was looking at it last night, because it's very difficult to skin this cat down here. I mean, things are just all over the place. And so I had no idea what to expect and what they were going to allow me to use as far as comps and things like that. So I learned a lot, and I'm very happy that it worked out well. But even though I had that on the agenda, I also needed to come down and do some restocking of things for the Airbnb VRBO stuff, and supplies, toilet paper, paper towels, all that good stuff. But for tax purposes, also one of the things that you have to do with a vacation rental is inventory. And so I've got to inventory every year the furniture, TVs, supplies. Take at least a basic inventory of things, because we actually have to pay taxes, property taxes on the stuff that's in the vacation rental. So it has to be kind of inventoried every year. It got me to thinking, when we went through Hurricane Harvey here, luckily we had pretty much bought everything that we had bought for this house within that year, because it was all on Amazon, you name it, Wayfair, HomeDepot.com, all the stuff that we had. I was able to put together that inventory very easily for this house. And so from filing an insurance claim standpoint, we were able to do it relatively easily from a content standpoint, because we had all the purchases of things that we had made in the last year for the house, completely outfitting the house. With your primary residence, you don't have that, right? You don't have to do it every year. So I started thinking about it. Doing a home inventory for insurance purposes at least once every couple of years is a really good idea. Go around your house, shoot a video of things, make some notes, use something, Google Keep, Google Drive, or whatever kind of technology. Take a whole bunch of pictures and upload it to a file. Whatever it happens to be. It doesn't have to be super, super complicated. It can be a simple inventory of things. What game systems do your kids have? Take pictures of your closets so you have an idea of clothes. If you have something that's, pricey, some jewelry, really write those down. Serial numbers of the high ticket items, things like that. But for the most part, take pictures of your furniture and your items and the things that you have. Pictures, if you have, pictures that are worth a lot, obviously, notate those, get those to make sure. But if something happens to your house and you need to file an insurance claim, having a home inventory is critical. So it will make your life so much easier. I know, just being able to go back and look at that stuff when we were filing the claims after Hurricane Harvey, that we were able to say, here's exactly the stuff that we had in the house, and that was the replacement cost, from an insurance standpoint. So at least being able, it'll make it easier when it comes time to file that paperwork. God forbid something happens to your house, but do it. Take a home inventory of things. Go around, shoot a video, take some pictures. Like I said, do a home inventory. It made it so much easier to file an insurance claim. Again, I'm Kevin McCarthy. If you're interested in finding out some of the things that we did when we had to deal with that, or you want to have a conversation about it, or you just want to find out what your home is worth, or you're interested in maybe buying an investment property, I'm always open to having a conversation about real estate anytime, or if you just want to shoot the breeze. So, Kevin McCarthy, it's another day in real estate. Cheers.